No, 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 and no. It is not lipstick. It's a spark plug, okay? Listen here. The spark plug plays an intricate part in your engine running smooth, right? So let's say you get a code, check engine light, and they say, well, you have a misfire in your engine. What's causing a misfire? 9 times out of 10, it's that spark plug. Okay, now, this is a worn out spark plug. If you can see all of the build, sometimes you have, they have carbon buildup, whether it's from fuel or oil leaked onto it because you had an oil leak from somewhere. So that's how it's going to look. Okay, now, compared to a new one, look at that. Sparkling clean. Okay, so you definitely want the spark plug to be clean, right? Like this. Excuse me. So which one do you have? This one or that one? Again, the spark plugs is a major part in that engine running properly or operating in optimum conditions, right? So now you need to know when are your spark plugs due to be changed. My car, for instance, is every 60,000 miles. Yours may be 100,000 or 120. It depends on your manufacturer, it depends on your engine. But again, let's look at it one more time in comparison. This your spark plug or is this your spark plug? All right? Either way, you gotta have spark plugs in that car. So you ain't gonna run. All right? So let's make sure, again, that we know when your spark plugs are due to be changed. It makes a heck of a difference in everything about your engine, even from fuel economy, how well it's doing with your fuel. My car's burning a lot of gas. What's going on? Oh, it sounds funny. It's running funny. Yep. Again, and then when those check engine lights come on, a lot of times, again, the misfire is due to what? Fouled out spark plug, which is this one. This is the one time you don't want to be in the black. All right. Let's get them cleaned up. Let's get those spark plug chains out. And let's go.